We listened to our customers. What have we learned? We learned that the wealth management industry is challenged. Challenged by the needs of their customers and challenged on a cost side because the margins are shrinking. Therefore, the industry needs new solutions where they can differentiate towards their customers, better service, faster response times, closer to the customer, while automating their processes and reducing costs. Our proven digital finance suite is now available as software as a service. Our customers can choose from the platform different robo-advisors, investment reporting dashboards, advisory solution for the relationship manager, and more. Up and running within weeks. Or they can run a full end-to-end wealth manager on the platform, including all the functionalities a portfolio manager, compliance, customer care, advisors, relationship managers need. What's the benefit? Much more flexibility and an unrivaled low cost base. The offering is not only software as a service. The offering allows our customers to have a complete new sourcing concept. On the platform available are market data, KYC data, portfolio management services, and even custody services out of the box, provided by the industry leaders in wealth management. Thanks to our global partner Orange Business Services, we are capable to serve globally, onshore, but off-premise. That means your data stays within your regulatory territory. Now it's time to use the opportunity to win market share and to meet the new needs of the digital customer. Now it's time to bring down the overall cost in the industry. Now it's time to switch on software as a service solution. Welcome to Digital Finance Suite as a service.